Hello! Here's a quick unboxing and first impression of the Bokashi Organko tool from Skaza. I purchased it on the German Amazon for €94. It won Red Dot Design Award 2019. I thought €94 is quite expensive for a Bokashi. But let's open it and find out what is so special about it. The design is sleek, elegant, and simple. It will suit in any kitchen. It's made of hard plastic, and it feels like really good quality. It came with a 100 milliliter measuring cup. It also came with 1 kilogram of bran. Here is a lid/press which you can use to push the kitchen waste down to the bottom. You can take out the inside of the Bokashi very easily. It has some holes in the bottom. The lid of the tap is very easy to open and close. Now let's start to use it. First of all, I put 200 milliliter of bran in the bottom of the Bokashi. And I put some kitchen waste into the Bokashi. Here I have some leftover pizzas, grapes, leeks, and so on. And I add another layer of Bokashi bran just because it's so little kitchen waste. If you have more, 200 milliliter will be ideal. Now I'm gonna push the kitchen waste down to the bottom with the lid that came along. I have to say I struggled a little bit. I had to use a lot of strength to push it down. It was very difficult to push the lid evenly down to the bottom. But I can tell that the air is really being pressed out, so it's really airtight. Overall, I really like the design, the look, the simple way to use it. and how easy you can handle it. The only thing that bothered me a little bit was when I pressed down the lid to the bottom. But I believe after a while of use, it will get easier. So I can tell you confidently, this is a really good Bokashi bucket. I totally understand why it won a Red Dot Design Award. But still, €94 is a little bit expensive. If you have all the extra money to spend, go ahead and buy it. I believe you won't regret it. I will make a follow-up video about the progress and give you a complete, detailed review about this Bokashi bucket. I hope you enjoyed the video and find it useful. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel.